Well, as you can see, a Colt Ralliart in the house for a stage 1 Ecutek map. Our Richard has just done the initial power run and it's come back as 162 brake horsepower, so not a bad little start. We're going to now flash an Ecutek race ROM onto it, get tuning. Yeah, it's got some modifications, it's decatted, it's got an induction kit, those sorts of things. So yeah, let's see what power we make, eh? Well, after an absolutely massive long wait for support from Ecutek this morning, so thanks Ecutek, that annoyed me dreadfully. We're up and running, we've got Ecutek software race ROM on this standard Mitsubishi Colt ECU, and now we're going to start tuning. I'm going to go and find my colleague and see if we can't get stuck in.
Light from the door, maybe, hasn't it? Well, we've had a day today. What a day. Anyway, so
I was tired.
He was tired when we started this morning.
To quote Morrissey, I was bored before I even began.
Yeah, so he was struggling this morning anyway. We did the blue Colt, got that done out of the way. It was a bit of a pain, but we got there in the end with it and sorted. And then we went to put an Ecutek license on the second car of the day, and Ecutek, or Google Chrome apparently, had updated their system, which kicked us out.
Ecutek had a new shop.
Yeah,
a new web shop, so they need to send you because we're traders, because we are dealers, they needed to send us license details, and I needed to buy a license. 33 missed calls later, I got one.
33 missed calls, and 3 hours later we finally got it sorted and got on with the car. I must admit, I did just go and do other mechanical work.
You did.
And other issues that I had to deal with.
I just had the meltdown.
Dan was having a meltdown. I got on with other things.
It's all good now.
Yeah, and then we did 2 pulls, and then the clutch started slipping on this car. So it's not been a good day at all. But nonetheless, the customers seen the funny side of it, and yeah, so customers going to take it away, get a clutch, or possibly book in with us and get a clutch, and then we'll have the car back and we'll finish the map off. I mean, it's just nothing we can do now at this point. The clutch is slipping, and I don't want to kill his clutch because he's got to get back to Portsmouth apparently. So
we did add some overrun though, didn't we?
Yeah, we had it. Ooh, we dropped down.
That's the day it is.
Yeah, added overrun and did the map. I'm sure the map's 95% there, but we just can't physically check it. So it's I'm happy to let him leave on it, but yeah, it could definitely
the fueling was all right.
Yeah,
really.
back to come back
as a
and
start.
Yeah, it's to come back and obviously we'll map tweak it, you know, free of charge. We'll get it sorted for him as we told him. So right, shall we have a look at the graph? No.
I want my mummy.
Okay, so red line is as she came here, blue line is as she leaves. It's a little bit wavy for our liking, but obviously we need to map it. We need to tune it when it comes back, and all will be well. The fueling's all right. There's plenty of fuel there, so it's going to be okay. And she leaves with 194 brake horsepower and a slipping clutch. So okay, we'll have it back and we will get it sorted. And yeah, guys, we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
Life moves pretty fast.